Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down the essentials: purpose, platform, and responsive breakpoints so decisions later are consistent. Once done, install the Material Components library and scaffold a theme file. This gives you tokens to reference. Make sure to define primary and secondary colors, type scales, elevation steps, and 8 dp spacing increments. These choices drive components, accessibility, and layout behavior. So take small examples and verify contrast and scale before building screens. You now assemble reusable components, buttons, cards, dialogues, by composing tokens and state styles rather than hard-coding values. Once components exist, add elevation and motion specifications so interactions feel consistent. Micro-interactions should be subtle and predictable. Make sure to include keyboard and screen reader labels for accessibility. Then create responsive variants and override rules so components adapt at each breakpoint. Test multiple densities and edge cases to ensure layout stability and visual harmony across devices. You finish by polishing motion timing, spacing, and microcopy, then run automated visual tests and accessibility audits to catch regressions. Once you've confirmed contrast and interaction behavior, document token usage and component APIs so other developers implement correctly. Deploy in stages and monitor analytics and user feedback to catch real-world issues. If something breaks, revert safely and isolate the component. A common troubleshooting tip is to check token overrides and theme inheritance first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.